Hello everyone, finally done. Join Evision Join Job. I got selected for Join Infotech Private Limited, Pune, with a package of 3.2 lakhs per annum. My name is Shailendra Baswante. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I am BE Electronics and Telecommunication graduate, passed from Pune University. Experts and experience in field lecturers, they help us to understand easily. Evision is best online institute. Trainers and HRs are very supportive. I had enrolled for online job internship, online presentation room, our communication skills as well as technical skills. Online mocks help us to crack interview easily. Thank you, Evision, for grooming my career. Thank you. Then